Hi YouTubers, this is a 2009 Mercedes Benz GL450 and today we're gonna be working on the hood vent. This one is damaged here, so I'm gonna replace it with this one here. You're gonna find a cover plate that has screws. You're gonna have to use a T20 to remove the screws. There's another one here. You're gonna have to squeeze and pull down. And one up here in the center, front, squeeze, pull down. I remove all the screws from the plate. Now I'm releasing the clamps. Once you remove the clamps, you can remove the plate. I remove the plate. The plate is out and the vent is right here. I have clear access to the vent. Now I have access to the vent. I'm gonna remove the hose for the windshield wiper and detach the other hose from that clamp here. Just slide the sprayer from the porthole, and then now you have 3 screws to remove. You have 3 screws to remove. First screw is up here. Just loose it, and second screw is right here, and the third screw is right here. I take them out with my fingers because I don't want to drop them in the engine compartment. Once you do that, you just release the clamps and you go on the other side of the hood here and you lift it up. This is the new wood vent. Putting it in position, first you put the in first, and then once you push it in, it's gonna click because there is a clamp. Once you push it in, it is clamped. 2 clamps down here. Put this side first, slide it in and push the back in because they have 2 clamps. I took the clamps from the broken wood vent and placed it on the new one. That clamp is for the hose. I'm gonna put the screws back in.
The installation is the reversal of the removal.
Both wood vents looking good. New install wood vent. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.